Hi! In front of me is Huawei Nova 9SE, and today I would like to show you how you can manage vibration settings on this device. First of all, go into Settings. Now you need to scroll down and choose Sounds and Vibration. Then click on Vibration over here. This way you can mute your device completely and leave only vibrations. Now scroll down and choose Phone Ringtone. Then click on Vibration over here. You can do that for SIM 1 and SIM 2. Following that, you need to tap on one of those vibration patterns and select the best one for you for your incoming calls. I will go with Beat. When you're ready, click on the back button twice and choose Notification Tone. Then select Vibration over here and do the same for your notifications. You can also disable vibrations completely by tapping on None. Then go back again and choose Messaging Tone. You can also select vibrations for SIM 1 and SIM 2 over here for your messages, select vibration pattern or disable it the same way. When you're ready, click on the back button, scroll down and choose More Settings. Lastly, click on the switcher next to Vibrate when ringing to enable all the stable vibrations for your incoming calls. You can also click on the switcher next to System Haptics to enable all the stable vibrations for key system events and interactions. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and don't forget to subscribe. Bye!